How to activate your Cash App card on the Cash application. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I will show you how you can activate your Cash App card on Cash App. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now before you go ahead and then try to activate a Cash App, you first need to request a Cash Card. If you don't have Cash Card, I'll just show you how you can do that. Now unlock your iPhone or Android and then launch the Cash App. Then just tap on the Cash Card icon second from the left at the bottom of the screen, as you can see. Once you tap on the little icon, tap on the green order button which you see on this specific page, and on the next page you have to simply select the color you want your cash card to support. As of now, you can only choose between black or white, and on the next page select whether or not you would like a unique cash tag to appear on the front of your card. Tap the toggle for yes and no, and if the toggle is green, this means that the cash tag will be in the front of your card, and if white, then your cash card will not be on your card. And on this screen you also need to add a signature and so on, and on the next page you need to enter where you would like to have your cash card mailed to, and tap the green next button, which means that you need to give your mailing address as well. On the following page, confirm your first and last name which will be printed on your card. Tap next, and you can also enter your date of birth, and you also have to be at least 18 years to request a cash card, and just tap on the next button. Lastly, just enter the last 4 digits of your social security number. So if you do not have your SSN or your tax identification number, you will not be able to request for a cash card, and a page should pop up confirming that a cash request was went, and just tap on the continue button, as you could see. Now what I will do is from here I will show you how you can activate your cash card. Now there are 2 ways to activate cash card: using a QR code and without a QR code. So unlock your mobile device and launch the Cash App, and again just tap on the cash card icon as we did earlier, and here you have to select the option called activate cash card at the bottom of the screen. So as you can see over here, now the application will ask you to use your camera to scan the code found on your Cash App card. Align your camera with the code and hold it until focus, and once you line up the QR code with the camera on your device, your cash card will officially be activated and ready for use. The other way is also how you can activate your cash card without a QR code. So again, on the same page you have to select the option called activate cash card, and instead of using a camera, tap the missing QR code button and select use CVV instead. So at the bottom you can see missing QR code, and you can use the CVV number on the back of your card in order to go ahead and then actually activate it. Enter the CVV code and expiration date located on a new cash card. Once you enter this information, your cash card will be set up and ready for use, and that's all it takes to activate your cash card on the Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.